level.
You get off me. Level 4.
4.
Peter.
Naomi.
Yes.
We had a leader extravaganza, and we did some things. Here were they. From here, we did rock, step, triple step, rock, step, hey, ho, hey, but not nothing here. Actually, a little connecting there, but not on guard. Remember, don't take that exit to douchebag road, right? We don't want to be really controlling about this. We're catching our followers every time. So the last little bit of information is always from Naomi, not me. So rock, step, hey, we had this feeling. Hey, hey, then I stick my arm out. I swear to God it works. And I'm not like, connect. I'm like, my arm is stuck out. You can go ahead and bounce off of it if you want to. I let Naomi make the last little thing. I swear it works, and it's not jerky. So we did this little pattern. Hey, rock, step, hey, ha, ha, ha. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll tell you when the pattern's happening. And you can get all sneaky with it. Hoo, ha, ha. But don't get too sneaky with no music. It just sucks. Then we did this thing. Yeah. So we could do like, say a send out maybe. You can hear a rock step, hey, ya, da, hey, ya, da, hey. You can go all slows if you want, or quick, slow. Oh. It's trickier, it's harder leading and following, but it's about leaving my hands there. When my hands move, it's because my partner is pushing on me, not because I'm jerking them that much. And it's really about me doing these steps. So the good news is you just dance it. The bad news is, can you do this? Hey, ho, ha, ha, ho. That's the practice. One little point, if we want that slow to happen, give me girl. Hey, ho, ha, I go down on the slow. It helps to take some of the time. A little bit of down really helps.
Followers try to go slow every time. That was it.